We are a professional supplier. Our products as follows: drive housing with knife blade and QuickSwap housing with multiple blade tips, foil transfer tool, deep point housing and blade, for Cricut Joy housing and blade, for CAMEO housing and blades. Our high-quality blades compatible with almost all cutting machines on the market, such as Silhouette Cameo, Cricut, ACT. We offer a variety of blade options tailored to different materials, ensuring you can choose the perfect blade for your specific project. Whether you're engraving wood, metal, leather, vinyl, or other materials, our blades are designed to deliver precise and professional results, helping you complete your projects flawlessly. With our wide selection, you'll have the tools you need to bring your creative ideas to life with ease.